We arrived after so long. We're here now in a holiday spa. A cheap hotel. Was a little bit run down, I have to say, but still got a nice swimming pool and okay spacious room for a fair price. Let me show you its view. Coming in the door here, first you got a toilet, shower, a mirror, a toilet and a sink and blah blah blah. That's what you need. And you got some cabinets, it's nice actually. You got a nice big bed. And then you got this one on the wall. It's like fabric, right? On the wall. When we came here first time, I think close to 10 years ago, it was pretty newly made, this one. It's a bit run down now, but it's okay. Fair price. So, and the wife, not fair price, that's expensive.